Okay, so got the new hose on. I don't know, it's been 2 weeks now with all the rain and stuff we've had, and put 2 buckets, 5-gallon buckets in at $150 a pop. Putting the 3rd bucket in, and there's my funnel system. Got it taped off to keep it from falling apart. And here's my bucket. Just got to pour it in the hole. Shouldn't be a problem. Already did one a while ago. Need another one. And then we'll get back to work, doing a little cleanup. Thanks for watching. Yep, that went pretty good. Only took a half a bucket to top it off. So about 2.5 buckets pretty much does it. And I'm pretty sure the tank was completely empty because it dumped everything. Alright. These funnels out of here. I'll use that duct tape just to keep it from falling. And get that out of there. Get that one out of there. And put the lid back on. This is all ready to go. My little release strap here. Pull it out here where it's easy to get to. All right. Let's get back at it.